Hey guys, it's
Mommy
and Mally Crew, and we are back with another video. We are doing a prank today on Alex, and it's gonna be crazy. So
yes, it is. And if y'all ready for this prank, then y'all better stay tuned.
Yep.
Okay? Did y'all hear me? Stay tuned. That means don't go nowhere. Get y'all some popcorn and come back to the video so y'all can watch this video.
Like, subscribe, comment, share. Like, subscribe, comment, share. All right.
We appreciate y'all. Anywho, stay tuned.
Hey guys, it's
Mommy
and Mally Crew,
and we are back with another video.
Yes,
another
we
video.
Hey.
So as y'all can see, we looking a little rough and stuff. So Mama looking like this because she's been working. Boy, don't do me. Anyway, because I've been working from home all day, so I got my little dashiki, my hair tie, and son just in his PJs, regular smuggler. So anywho, we wanted to say, if you are new to our channel, we want y'all to stop right now, pause this video. We mean stop what you doing, like don't do nothing else, don't move.
We know you didn't stop, so pause the video.
Exactly.
Thanks.
Thank you. Go like,
subscribe, and comment.
Please and thank you.
Share also.
We like it if y'all share. We surely gonna appreciate it. But definitely want to say a shout out to all of our subbies so far. We love each and every one of y'all. We appreciate y'all love and support and for sticking by us. Also, we need to give a special shout out to
Kalo. He's somebody that I play with on the game, and he nice and stuff. But he subscribed, and he just a supporter. He's super nice. So shout out to Kalo.
Shout out to you, Kalo, and we'll leave a link down below with all of his contact info. And me and Mally got to shout out our new person that did our outro video. I believe her name is J Star on Facebook. We'll also leave her information in a comment below on how y'all can get y'all outro video, because she did her thing. So shout out to both of y'all. And we about to get right into this video. So y'all know we always up to no good. And we are back with another video prank, that is to get Alex this time again. So we decided this video is gonna be a prank. So we decided that we are going to pretend like the dog bit us. Okay, y'all. So the prank about to begin. Here goes the bloody tail, quote unquote. Malachi, let him see your leg. Bring your leg closer. Hold on, y'all. See his leg.
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
Hopefully, it looked like a bite mark.
Alright, I'm about to call him right now.
Did the dog bit him? He about to call him right now and get his reaction, y'all.
I'm gonna put him on speaker.
Break time, baby.
Alex, he bit me! He bit me!
What?
He bit me!
Okay, look, I'm about to be home soon.
Alex is bleeding!
Okay.
I was going up the stairs, and he came behind me, and he bit me! Cause I was running up the stairs, Alex.
Okay, well look, Malachi, I'm about to be home soon, okay?
Ooh, it might be infected. It's turning black, Alex. It's turning black.
It's not turning black. But okay. I got you. I'll be home.
Alex, yes, it is turning black. Oh!
Calm down.
Come on, Alex. Hurry up.
Okay. I'm still soon. Go. All right. I'll make sure we got that right. Okay. All right. I'm sorry.
Oh!
Come. I'm on my way home now. I'll be home in about 8 minutes.
All right.
Yeah. I'm on my way home now. I'm just not leaving the house. I'll be home in a few minutes.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
It's bleeding so bad.
Do your mama know?
Yes.
Where your mama is?
She right here.
Let me speak to her.
Her mom.
Oh my God, babe. Yeah. Yeah, hello.
Oh, he bit him for real?
Yeah, he bit him. He bit him, babe. He was running up the stairs, you know. I know he is.
Calm down. I can't hear you. I'm on my way home, okay? Calm down. What happened? He bit you?
He bit Bella, God. He bit Belly.
He bit him that hard?
He bit him, he bleeding.
Okay. I'm on my way home right now. Okay? When I get home, I will handle it. You bit him that bad for real?
Yes, babe.
Take him inside the bathroom. Run some warm water on it. You gotta rinse off the wound, okay? And
Okay,
put
babe.
the right side on it. I'm about to go. Okay?
Okay. All right, babe.
Okay.
It's on, y'all. Oh, y'all didn't get to see it, but it was really him. Hopefully, y'all heard him. It's on. Prank time.
All right, y'all. Now we wait. This is about to be crazy.
It's gonna be crazy. Prank time. Prank time. Say hi, Alex. Say hi, baby, Alex.
So when he get here, I gotta be yelling. Oh, you gotta get some water in your face so you can act like you crying.
Okay.
Well, right before he hit him or something, we gotta stop the report. Dang.
Oh, but keep my phone. Oh my God.
Oh, Shishamaru bit me. But how we gonna prevent him from booping Shishamaru?
Just tell him, like, don't hurt him. Malachi swung at him in the head, and I think that's why he attacked him or something, you know.
We gonna straight up get him.
I'm good with this. Okay.
Hurry up!
Okay.
Look outside, hurry up.
No, they don't know. Because whoever it is, they was like, go ahead. They was like, you need to whoop that dog. You need to tell that dog.
What if we both get in trouble?
Like, what you mean?
Like he take away everything, like this, all the TVs.
Mm.
You're not gonna let him do that, are you?
Nunu laughing. We should have waited till he was almost done doing what he was doing, because I think he was doing something for my birthday.
Oh.
He finna be pissed.
Yeah, then he's gonna have to go back to the place. Here, get on the couch. So he can look quick.
Okay.
See if you outside.
He heard.
Yeah, you crying. Ah! Ah!
me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Malachi.
All I gotta say is that Ish was wild. We did not expect that reaction. And so y'all know, dog is cool. We all cool. I am gonna have to clean up because it got a little crazy. But we definitely thank y'all for sticking around for that prank. And before I go, I definitely want to do a couple shout outs. First shout out is to Kilo. No, his name is Kilo on Fortnite. That's Malachi's friend. You the truth for liking and subscribing. We love you and we appreciate you for your support. I want to next give a shout out to, I believe it's Star J on Facebook. She did our intro and outro. Girl, you the truth. So far, y'all, she lit. So I'll be sure to leave both of their contact information in the links down below for y'all. And a special shout out to each and every one of our subscribers for being on this journey with us. We appreciate y'all and we love y'all too. The support is so real. So we can't thank y'all enough. So anywho, as I always tell y'all, keep God first. Believe in yourself and on anything you put your mind to, baby, you know you can do it. So y'all already know what it is. We gonna catch y'all in the next video. Tell them, Xander. Anywho, y'all. Bye.